What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the 2002 Cadillac Escalade, and today we're going to be working on changing this guy. So if I start her up, I got low fuel, but the service stability system, we're gonna be working on fixing that. I went to Advanced Auto and had a scanner hooked up to this, and it's saying that it's the position sensor that's doing it. So hopefully changing this out will fix my problem, make that light go out. That's what we're hoping for today. Shouldn't be too bad of a fix. We got some tape here to tape up my steering wheel just to keep it in the same position, and I think I'm going to be able to take it apart right here. Not 100% sure yet. Let's get this started. I'm going to show you guys the process. All right, guys, so I did a few things. Taped up my steering wheel so it doesn't move. Underneath here, I took out this bolt that was holding that together, right where I put that little white dab of paint. And that's just going to be so when I'm putting it back together, I know for sure that it's going to be in the right spot. Okay. Yeah, that bolt came out of that hole right there. You can see it. And then out here, I took out the same bolt that was right here. That bolt's right there. Size 15. And I put a white dab of paint on this on the outside too, just so I make sure it's all going back the same. So I think I'm actually ready. I think this is ready to come out. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. All right, guys, so I just pulled out that little shaft there, this little guy here, and I just set him straight down. Right there, my dab of paint, and now I can get the steering wheel position sensor off. All right, guys, just pulled the old steering wheel position sensor off. I really just pushed on this little nub, and it came out. See up here, that little nub, if I can get a good angle on it, sticks through that little hole that you can see. And I just pushed on that, and the whole thing just slid right off of there. I can still see my little dab of paint, so we're good. And I can put the new one on now. Now this new one, it's gonna go on the exact same way. And then once it's on, I can remove this pin. So yeah, it's kind of hard to film under here. There's not really any light or room, so it's just real easy to slide it on. All right, guys, it's really windy out here, but I got the new steering wheel position sensor in. See under here, you can see it up there. New one's in, all back together. Got the bolt back in. Look around the front, right where I got my little white dab of paint. Got that bolt back in. I think this was the easiest way to do it for sure. But when I turn my Escalade on, the light is still there. So I'm not sure if I still have another issue. I've already changed the front wheel hub assemblies and now the position sensor, so I'm not sure if I need to go and just get this light reset or if it's gonna reset on its own after a couple drives, or if I still have a problem. So I'm not exactly sure how to get this light shut off. I guess I'm gonna have to go back to advanced and have them hook up their scan tool. But I've definitely changed out a lot of the potential issues. So we'll see what the scan tool says now, or if I can just get it shut off. We'll see. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Hope this helps someone out if you want to change your steering wheel position sensor on a 2002 Cadillac Escalade. It was real easy. It only took me I don't know, maybe like 15-20 minutes to do the whole job. But yeah, guys, I'll update you on how to get this light shut off, or when I go and get it scanned, I'll give you guys a little update. If you guys would do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below, really helps me out, helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. So thanks, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.